Looking for appliance repair in Port St. Lucie? You found the right company. Treasure Coast Appliance Repair serves all of Port St. Lucie, from Tradition and St. Lucie West to the west, all the way to the coast. Torino, Becker Road Corridor, US 1 neighborhoods, Gatlin Boulevard area, Crosstown Parkway. We cover every neighborhood. What we repair: refrigerators, washers, dryers, dishwashers, ovens, ranges, cooktops, freezers, and garbage disposals. Every major brand: Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, GE, Maytag, Frigidaire, KitchenAid, Kenmore, Amana, Bosch, Electrolux, Sub-Zero, Viking, Thermador, and more. Why choose us? Same-day service. Most calls received by noon get a same-day afternoon appointment. We carry the most common parts on our truck. Over 50% of repairs are completed in one visit. We use OEM parts. Our diagnostic fee is applied toward the repair. We give honest repair or replace advice. If it's not worth fixing, we'll tell you. Port St. Lucie is the largest city in St. Lucie County with over 200,000 residents. That means a huge installed base of appliances in homes ranging from new construction and Tradition to established communities throughout the city. We've repaired thousands of appliances across Port St. Lucie. Licensed and insured. 5-star Google reviews. Locally owned and operated on the Treasure Coast. Appliance repair in Port St. Lucie. Call now. Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.